Alright.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Unlock container, click it.
I really did whip my dick out. Hold on. Right. Oh, wait. I'm an idiot.
I do it with your mouth.
Gotta do it, dude.
Alright, wait, look it. Chicken, tell me that you love me, yeah?
Oh, fuck no.
Come on, dude. It's for the sake of the fucking knife.
Alright, I hate you.
No, say that you love me. You don't have to mean it. Just say it. It's fine.
I don't love you, alright.
Just say I love you.
said that.
Don't say I don't love you.
I
Oh,
don't love you. Alright.
no. Y'all don't want me to win, huh?
No, fuck you.
You stupid bitch. I'll drive to fucking Berkeley and fuck you up.
Not even that Berkeley. Oh! Wait, that's like 3 grand. That's like 3 grand. What the fuck? What the fuck? No way. You're fucking trolling, dude.